All right, let's rehab your neck. The neck moves into flexion and extension, rotation, and lateral bending. And you could even include translational, pulling your chin in sideways. And then you need to know the locations. This point, and you can see from the maps, you can go by the maps, just match the colors. This point goes straight down, so if there's pain in the front of the neck. This point goes down next to that, the ear a little further back, the eye a little further back behind the ear, beside the eye a little bit further back, inside the eye you can see the purple goes right down the sides of the spine, and then the peach goes up and over the center of the spine. So when you're moving, wherever you feel discomfort, pain, you match it to the same color on the face. And if you have a lot of pain on the side, you can hold and move. And where you feel it, stop and tap. And see if you can get it moving a little bit easier. And then put all the motions together. We can start from flexion, and we're going to bring our chin in a largest circle as we can. If you know you have pain in the back of the neck, you can hold while you do this. So chin down and make a circle. And if it pinches or you feel pain somewhere, stop there, add a little more energy, and keep moving. Feel a little bit back here. Go to the side. Push your chin in that direction. Just bumping into the pain though. If it hurts, don't like jam it into the pain. Keep going. And reverse. And if you have arthritis, while you're tapping, while you're connecting to that pain, think about where you might be rigid or inflexible in your life, where you might be able to loosen up. Healthy holding of boundaries keeps us safe. Unhealthy boundaries hurts everyone. If there's inflammation, maybe we think about where we're inflammatory, where we're defensive, we're defending our perspective, or where we're attacking other perspectives. If there's swelling, which would be water, maybe we think about where in life does it feel heavy? And just keep moving and expanding your range of motion every day. You'll move better and you'll clear out the gunk in those joints. And it won't take long, and your neck will be moving like it's meant to move, which feels pretty good. We could do the same with our upper back. So we just move our whole rib cage, move it forward and around. And wherever we feel, we're going to feel a lot in the spine, so these points, increasing flexibility. Water is flexible and accommodating.